Hi guys, hello, welcome to my channel. How are you? What's up? It's Christmas. Okay, it's the Saturday after Thanksgiving, so it's Christmas, okay? It's Christmas. I'm wearing my little merry and bright t-shirt, and since it's basically Christmas, yesterday was Black Friday, and I was not planning on going shopping, but I kind of did, and I found like cutesy stuff for my room. So I was like, wait. I'm going to be decorating my bedroom for Christmas. And so I was like, I'm gonna film it because that's what I do. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys, like, I woke up really early, and I cleaned, like, I did like a massive cleaning of my room, and now I'm gonna be like decorating. I rearranged my whole room. I'm gonna give you an overview of what I did, and I'm gonna give you a mini haul of what I bought. I didn't really buy a lot of stuff, but I don't know, I wanted to show you guys. So yes, come with me to bring some joy and Merry Christmassy, whatever, to my room. So stick around. Okay, so this is the overview of my room. I literally changed everything. Now the bed is right in the middle. This is over here. I have nothing over here. So if you remember my room makeover, it was so different from this, but yeah, you can go watch that if you want to see how the room was before. But I have to rearrange all this now. I have some stuff over there. That's from the haul from yesterday, that little tree. We're gonna decorate that. This is the stuff I bought yesterday. Some throw pillows I need to arrange. I need to arrange that. Where's my finger? There. So we have a little project going on. I have some DIY stuff I want to show you guys. And let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I told you guys I went a little Black Friday shopping yesterday. I just went to Marshalls and Walmart, and everything is from Marshalls, except two things. So I'm going to show you really quick what I got to decorate my room. So I got this stocking. I am not gonna use it as a stocking, and this is actually the first DIY project. I'm gonna turn this into a throw pillow, because I was looking so hard for throw pillows, like Christmas throw pillows that will match my color scheme of my room, and no. So I got this, and we're gonna try to make it a pillow. So let's see how that works. This one's from Marshalls. I got this little throw blanket. It's black and white. It's like Christmas trees. I love it. It's so cute, and it matches perfectly. I saw this, and this was like what sparked like my interest, idea, whatever, of like decorating my room for Christmas. So I'm excited about this one. It's from Marshalls also. I got a little holiday candle. It's pine scented from Marshalls. Black and white. Are we surprised? Nope. And my little Christmas tree for my room. It's so cute. It's little, it's small, it's sparkly, from Marshalls also. So we're gonna decorate it. I have an idea for this. I'm gonna decorate it with stickers. I don't know how it's gonna go, but let's see. And the last two things I got are from Walmart actually. And it's like this cute little Christmas tree, black and white. So I got it because it was like $2, and I was like, why not? It's black and white. And these little gnomes, they're like ornaments, and they're like tiny enough for my Christmas tree, so I got them for that, but I'm not gonna use them on my Christmas tree. But they're like, they came in a pack of 4, and I named them Peter and Bruno, and I forgot the other 2 names, but yes. We're gonna do a little DIY project with these guys also, so let's see how that goes. Let's start with the stocking. Maybe we can start making the throw pillow. So let's do that. So first DIY, we're gonna do the little stocking into a throw pillow. I'm gonna be using like the stuffing. Is that how you call it? Whatever. From an old throw pillow. So I'm just gonna put it in and hope it's enough. Okay, so I think that's enough. It's kind of fatty and like comfy. Yeah, it can work. So now I just need to like sew this or glue it, but I don't know how to sew. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll wait for my mom or my sister. But yeah, I think it turned kind of cute. I have a little stocking pillow. I'll say the first DIY, a success. The second DIY project I'm gonna try to attempt, I wanna do like un garland. How do you say that in English? I don't know. And excuse my neighbor's loudness, but I'm gonna do that with some yarn and the little gnomes. And I'm gonna do like a braid with black, white, and white yarn, and we're gonna not tie. We gotta tie the gnomes and do like a little garland. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but let's see. My idea with this was to put it like here. This is like a little drawer, so we're gonna try it out. I made it a little too long, but no, over here, over here, and over here. Ancient. And now we're gonna put Peter and little Bruno, and I don't know the names of the other ones, so maybe one over here. Let's see if it works. OMG! Doesn't it look so cute? Actually, I'm really excited about how it turned out. It looks so cute. Now I'm gonna like recoger all this mess and everything else, and I'll be back. I already put away all the stuff. I made a little spot for the little tree, so now we're gonna decorate it. I hope my sticker idea works out, because I have a bunch of stickers, like black and white and some pink stickers, so they kind of go with the theme. And the idea is to just place them all over the tree, make it look cute. So let's see how that goes. Let me get my stickers. See, I have like, they're like sayings. This one says choose happiness. This one says she believed she could, so she did. My favorite quote. YouTube, XOXO, the Virgo sign, throw kindness around like confetti. So I have a few of those. I have more stickers here, but they're not like black and white, so we're just gonna choose the black and white ones. Be happy. Let's see how it goes with those. Be kind. I don't know. Let's see if it works out. I need like a topper, and I was thinking maybe I can use this. I don't know. Like, maybe I can pinch it over here. I don't know if it's working. Can I go? Okay, there, I almost have it. Maybe it can work. I think it looks kind of cute. I don't really have to decorate all the tree because it's just gonna be like this side. It's gonna be looking to the wall, so I just need like the front part. So I think I like it. Let's see if it looks good in the spot I want it. So Christmas tree, I think it's a success also. So I play around with it a little bit. This is how it's looking. It's kind of quirky, but I like it. It's like it has character. So this is how I arrange all this. I put a little Christmas quote. This is how the garland is looking. It's kind of cute. I love it. It looks really good actually. So I'm impressed. Now I have to attack this and we're done. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. See the little throw blanket, it's so cute. My little new pillow stocking thing. I put almost all my extra throw pillows in this chair. I can't really sit on it right now, but who cares? I have an extra blanket there, an extra pillow. Have this over here. I need to light that candle. My little tree, I did that. My cuadros, I love them. And over here, oh my god, I love this little corner so much. Look at the little tree. I need to like get the hang of the crown, but it looks so cute. I actually love how it turned out. I've never had my room like with my bed here and this here. I think it looks a little bit small, but I actually kind of love it. I love it. So yeah, this is it for me. This is it for the video, guys. Let's do a little quote of the day, and the quote of the day is the one over there, and it says, "Merry everything and happy always." So I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you have Christmas spirit. And yeah, are you gonna decorate your room or are you gonna be boring? I wanna know. Tell me if you like my room like this. Go check out my room makeover to see how it was before. It has a little Christmas cheer, but it's not like too overwhelming, so I love that. And yeah, this is it for me, guys. So have a good day. Bye.